Tramex have 3 levels of restoration kits, from entry level to advanced. The Water Damage Easy Kit contains the CMEX2 concrete moisture meter for instant moisture measurements in concrete and screed, together with one Hygroeye relative humidity probe, and the tools needed for testing equilibrium relative humidity, ambient air temperature, relative humidity, dew point and grams per kilo simultaneously on one screen. The kit also comes with a pin-type wood probe for testing wood moisture content and WME readings in other building materials. The Water Damage Inspection Kit contains the same contents as the Easy Kit, with the addition of the MEP General Relative Moisture Meter for taking non-destructive relative readings in most building materials. With 3 sensitivity settings for different materials, giving green, yellow and red indication signals and a beeping notification of high moisture locations. This kit also comes with an infrared surface thermometer for spot checking condensation issues and thermal bridging, and deep wall probes for subsurface WME readings. The Master Kit contains all of the same components as the Water Damage Inspection Kit, as well as the addition of 2 extra Hygroeye probes and a long 200mm relative humidity probe for deep wall equilibrium relative humidity readings. It also comes with a calibration check salt unit to ensure all of the probes are reading correctly as part of your quality control.